Hello my dear students. Today I will discuss about basic geometrical ideas. I selected it from class 6. It is chapter number 9, page number 159. So there are some geometrical figure. The first one is point. The first one is point. What is point? A point is the most fundamental object in geometry. It is the most fundamental object, and it is represented by a dot. And we named it with a capital letter like A and like B, C, but it must be a capital letter. Okay. A point represents only a position. It has zero size, means zero length, and zero width and zero height. So it has no length, no width and no height. What is point? A point is a small dot made by a sharp pencil on a piece of paper. That is the point. And next is line. What is line? Here A and B, 2 points. A line is obtained by joining 2 points. We obtain a line. It extends infinitely in both the directions. Okay, and we use arrowheads on its 2 ends. A line has no width, it has no width and no height, but infinite length. Okay, it has no width and no height, but infinite length. We cannot show a complete line on a sheet of paper because it extends infinitely in both the directions. So how we represent it? By using arrowheads on its 2 ends. A line may also be named by one small letter, like it is line L, and it also represented as AB and both side arrow. What is line segment? Since it has infinite length, so we cannot draw it entirely on a paper. So we will work with a part of line, that is line segment. If we take 2 points B and C and take this part, there are many line segments in a line. Here BC is a line segment and B and C are called 2 end points of this line segment. It is denoted by BC only a bar. Line segment is a part of a line. It has a finite length. Plane. What is plane? in our house, the floor is also a plane, the roof is also a plane, whiteboard, blackboard, all are plane. A single capital letter is used to denote a plane. Okay, is a plane. This is a plane and we denote it by capital letter like A, and we named it as plane A, not only A, by plane A, so that not to be confused with a point. That's why it is named as plane A. And the next topic is pair of lines. What is pair of lines? Pair of lines, that is two lines on a same plane. Two lines, there is two lines on the paper. Here, three pairs of lines. These two lines intersecting each other at a point A, and the lines are L and M. These two lines intersecting at a point A, and these two lines N and small p. These two lines never meet each other. So when two lines meet at any point, we call they are intersecting lines. It's called intersecting lines, and it is called parallel lines which never meet each other. That is parallel lines. Example, railway line and two edges of a ruler. These two lines are called perpendicular. Perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. Perpendicular means perpendicular lines meet each other at right angles. That means these two lines meet each other at right angles. Right angle means 90 degree. Right angles means 90 degree angle between these two lines. So example of perpendicular lines are, it is a square, and any square or a rectangle, there are four corners, and the two adjacent sides meet at a point, and they make a right angle at that corner. And we observe there are some poles in our playground, and telephone poles, electric poles, they are on the roadside. These are perpendicular lines. A pole is standing on the ground. This pole, and here the pole and the ground, they are at right angle, so they are perpendicular to each other. Concurrent lines. What is concurrent lines? Three or more lines are said to be concurrent if they pass through the same given point. As the point A, if there are 3 or more lines passing through these points, L, M and N, 3 lines passing through the same point A. So these 3 lines are called concurrent lines. Collinear points. Which are collinear points? We have 3 points here. Suppose A, B and C. If we draw a line which passes through all the given 3 points, then we call these points are collinear points. In other case, if 3 points are lie on the paper like this, they are D, E and F, and we can draw a line which passes through only given 2 points. Then these 3 points are called non-collinear points. Non-collinear points, because this line not passing through all these points. If the line is L and this one is M.